Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get notes in Messenger, and I will show you as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all open your Messenger app, and right now if you can see I already have it, but from here if I click here on WhatsApp I can write something down like working hard, and then if I click on share I just created a note in Messenger. But hey, what can you do if this note is not popping up? Now, let's throw this away. Then we go to settings. Then from here we go to general. And then from here we click on iPhone storage. Then from here we need to scroll down to Messenger. Here it is. And then we click on Messenger, and then from here we click on offload app. Then we throw it away, we go to App Store, search for Messenger, and then we make sure that we download the latest version of Messenger. Alright, now it's done, and if we open Messenger, from here I see left in the top, if I click on that I can create or can get a note in Messenger. So hopefully this helps you out. And if this helped you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And if it's still not working, please comment below. Maybe I can help you out from there. Alright, for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.